Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to do a fun little flip through of my soft cover Christmas journal. And this will be in my Etsy shop, so the link will be down below, so you guys come check it out. And yeah, let's see. So we got the cover here, which turned out great. I love it. I think it turned out so fun. I got some paper dolls, some Tim Holtz, Ideology Christmas stuff all around, just little trinkets glued down here. And I have some fun vintage cards that I played with and put in here. And I will make sure to put on the end screen the playlist on how I constructed this whole journal. And you guys can see how I put it all together. And yeah, come make yourself a little soft covered Christmas journal. It's just so much fun. So I did some coffee dyeing and some grunging up. So it's my grungy little journal here. But that's the front of it. I got some coffee dyed lace on it. Okay, let's see. And I got some lace, coffee dyed lace on the insides here, and pattern paper that I glued down or sewed on inside here. And I went through and put down some of my coffee dyed lace. I got like a whole thing here. And just to reinforce it, I put it on the inside here and right here, because this pattern paper is very fragile. It's from 1969, so it's a little vintage here. And I just didn't want it to rip or anything where I sewed, so I made sure to reinforce it with some, you could see just some lace there. But you could still see the stamping. I did a cute little Santa stamp. So there's that. And I made a little pocket. Grunched up one of the vintage cards here. So those are fun. And I'll probably go through and add toppers here. I got the little ribbon, and I'll just add it to each one little card here. So I'll make sure to do that. And this has a little pocket in the front with some fun little things here. Some little Tim Holtz cards. Got some rickrack and some Tim Holtz tape, fabric tape right here. And did some sewing. So let's see. So this is fun. This was fun to do. This is just a Tim Holtz from the Christmas Ideology kit. And I got little paper dolls here that came with it, and just some coffee dyed lace, which is a little pocket here if you want to use it as a pocket. And some more coffee dyed lace here that I did some interest sewing. I did some sewing around. And yeah, so this just flips out like that. You got a little pocket here with some goodies in it. Like that. And then a little hidden pocket down here with a tag. And just some fun interest sewing on it. We got a window pocket here that you could take this in and out. Just some grunched up cards here. So yeah, these little window pockets are fun. You could just hide little goodies in there. Okay, and I got my cluster that I did, and just a little pull-out card. You do a little journaling spot on the back, like that. And some cute little envelopes that I made. And some fun little ephemera tags inside. And this is all some fabric that I had, so I sewed all of them in as pages. Some fun Christmas fabric. And then this is the middle of the signature, and I love it. I thought it turned out so fun. I did a whole quilted, this is all fabric. So, I don't know if you can see, but it's all fabric. I fussy cut out the poinsettia here and placed it down on some, this was a blanket, I think. It was a blanket. It's like a woven cotton blanket. So that was fun to do. And then did some sewing with some coffee dyed end cuts, fun little pearl button cluster. And yeah, and then I quilted all through here. Just did some sewing all up and down it and sewed it all down. And yeah, it just turned out so fun. Okay. And this page was really neat to do. It is a magnet. There is a magnet in there, a little hidden magnet. So it's like a magnet flip. So that stays down. And this is all coffee dyed. And then I did some sewing and did a little twist through here and hung this fun little trinket from it. So that just flips open, and then you got yourself a little envelope with some fun little goodies in there. So those can be little journaling spots. Okay, and this is just a little cluster up here. Some more Tim Holtz, the Ideology Christmas. And I got another little window pocket. And some journaling spots. I did some fabric tape going, a little sewing. Another pocket with some twisted rick-rack is what I'm calling that. And fun, just a little ephemera pocket and some more journaling spots on the back. Did some fabric tape and a little grungy card. You do journaling back here. And this one's fun. It was a little window pocket right here and some journaling spots. So you got yourself a pocket and you got yourself a flip. So it flips up. And we got a snowman in the back that I stamped, and then I reinforced again with some of the coffee dyed lace here. And yeah, I'm really liking the way this turned out. And I can even do another little piece of lace here just to make sure to reinforce it. I might do that and just put a little bit of the lace right here just to, you know, double secure it. And you can see through it, so you can see the pattern paper and feel it. It's really soft. And this booklet was real fun to make. I just put a piece of coffee dyed lace here for a belly band, a little belly band, and a little tab at the end. And this is so fun. I think this turned out really cool. So this is one of my accordion journals. So it just unties like that. And then you take the tab here and you pull it open, just like that. So you get the front side here. I'll have to glue these into place better, but I'll get them all glued into place so they don't come off. So that's the front part of it. And then the back. So is that cool? I was gonna say, if you guys wanna see how I did this accordion journal, let me know in the comments down below. I got a fun project we can do, and we could do this and incorporate it into something really fun. So comment down below. Let me know if you guys would love to see how I make the accordion journal. But it's really fun to make. And then it just pops back on together like that. And then you could tie it. So there we go. We got our fabric journal, and that's the back part of it. And like I said, this will be in my Etsy shop, so you guys can come check it out. And even if you guys don't purchase, if you hit the like button and favor my shop, that helps me out so, so much. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys will see the next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.